Hello, my name is Brian Carranza, and I'm a graphics design major at Harper College. I am going to go over my portfolio with you. This first image is a logo of my brand that I created for myself in Illustrator. For this assignment, we created a magazine where we used someone else's article and we brought in our own images and created our own layout using our own typography. For the next few slides, we had to create ads for a product. The product I chose was for the Adidas NMD. This first image was a billboard and I created a mock-up for it. This is the second billboard that I created and I also made a mock-up for it. This is the last ad and I created a bus stop ad with a mock-up. For this image, I created an Illustrator and I had to use the perspective tool. The assignment was to create a building. I also created a little logo that you can see on the sign right there on the building. This next design was the lock and key. We had to create two different layouts for ads of this person's services in photography. I used InDesign and created a layout and edited the pictures using Photoshop. For this next design, in this assignment was to create an illustration combining of both a real photo and illustrations. In Illustrator, I created these two images and then I brought them both in using InDesign, creating this one whole piece. In this assignment, I had to create 4 different objects using gradient mesh in Illustrator. These 4 objects I created as a product I made up as a life bike. For this design, it was for the fashion show poster that we created in Harper. The theme was unmasked and we had to think of a way to show the outdoors since the fashion show was hosted in the outdoors. This last design is for my resume and business card I created. Both of them were created in InDesign and the images were done in Illustrator. This was my presentation. Thank you for watching.